Okay, so we're going to take a tour of what an opportunity group or a money train could look like. So I'm going to first show you the description that I currently have in my group. Take it, tweak it, use it however you would want, but you want to have some type of description so women know why they are in this group. So for example, if you look here, mine will say, this secret group is designed for ladies who are interested in making some extra money, who have been intrigued with my success and perhaps one day may take the leap to join the Pure Romance Money Train and join Pure Romance by myself, a team of successful ladies. In the meantime, this page will allow you to see the current kit sale prices, continue to be inspired, and follow the thought that maybe one day this is just what you need in your life in the back of your head. If at any time you decide you're ready to join the money train and my team, please just click my website and be sure it says my name is your sponsor and get the kit and get started. So then in your money train, what you want to do is you want to have posts that are interactive. If you're somebody who's just starting, I highly recommend you put yourself on a schedule. So on Monday could be Money Making Monday, where you could post something that someone else that you know or yourself of guess how much money I made over the weekend at my party. Anything to do with money, of anybody making money in the business, a bonus check they received, anything surrounded by money for that theme. I would post about 3 to 5 times a week, so let's skip to Wednesday then. Wednesday could be a Woman to Watch Wednesday. You want to highlight somebody in the business that has done something amazing and spectacular that could be highlighted so other women can see that it's possible. On Friday, you might want to do a Fun Fact Friday. Anything about the business that is intriguing, that sparks an interest so people say, wow, that's pretty cool. Then on Sunday, you might want to do, on Sunday could be a Soul Sunday or a Sunday Fun Day, something fun that you could post, a social Sunday, something that you could post with different pictures, different variety of activities that you do with your now friends that you have gained in the business. So this could be retreats, this could be an outing, this could be a movie night, this could be a happy hour party with any retreats that you're doing, any world conferences, national trainings, anything that shows that this business is a lot of fun also. So I'm going to show you some examples of different things that I've done. I now do not have myself on a schedule, but now I think of myself as a talent scout. So when I see something really great that I'm like, wow, somebody could really be intrigued by that achievement or that post, I can just screenshot it and put it over into my money train to highlight different things that are going on in the business. Sometimes they want to see other people are really successful in the business and just not yourself. So I'm going to show you a variety of different things that you could do in your opportunity group that I have done in mine that has gained a lot of interest. So the first thing we have here is Woman to Watch Wednesday. So if you notice here, I have Woman to Watch Wednesday. This woman did her first party Friday night as a Pure Romance consultant, and her sales were incredible. Ready? Drum roll please. In one night, she profited over $800. This is more than most make at their full-time 40-a-week job, and she just made it in 3 hours. Why do I get the feeling she should have started this business years ago? P.S. It's possible, and this could be you. Now, personally, I do not know this person, but I did see her circulating on social media for this amazing achievement. That's why I say, think of yourself as a talent scout. So I saw this and I'm like, wow, that's pretty awesome. She's brand new, making that kind of money. It's definitely worth showing her off and showing people that it's possible when they join. So I copied and pasted and screenshotted it and put it into my money train. Let's take a look at some other things I've posted. Utilize Chris Ciccinelli's Rockstar Report. Sometimes women will get excited if you're giving something away. So for his example here, I say freebie alert. Comment below one achievement that you see from the video that is pretty awesome, and when we get to 10 people to comment, I'll enter you to win a Starbucks gift card to celebrate these rock stars. While it might only cost you $5 to give away for a gift card, you're allowing them to make sure they interact. You're putting a minimum on it, which is 10 people to respond. And keep in mind, if they don't always respond, that's okay. They're watching. So even myself, sometimes it's crickets. but they're always watching. So this is really nice to utilize this report so that they can see, wow, look at all the achievements that women are making in the business. Here's another example. I posted 10 people comment and I'll pull for a prize. And it's just, ladies, finish this sentence for me. I would start my own pure romance business if, and then you see women are commenting their objections of why. This allows me to be able to utilize these people for genuine conversations later to let them see that those objections we can overcome together. You'll see here that sometimes I just post something fun. Pulling up. So this is just a really fun long article about how people say it's a scam, and you're right, sure is, being sarcastic, of course, and then a fun little motivational quote for people to see. So that was just a suggestion I had for that one. All right. Here is somebody who had a $4,500 party, so I highlighted them. This is somebody that was featured on the Next Pure Success. It gives this little snapshot of her backstory and where she's come from to where she is now because of the business. So it's just a little teaser to put in your group. When there's a kit sale, you can do something fun like this. So I just made this quick little picture when there is a kit sale and says, oh snap, look what just launched the kit sale, 5 bonuses going out, who wants one? So I put the picture of the different kit prices. I put my website, I put some pumpkins up there just to visualize that I had 5 sign-on bonuses. Offering a 60-day trial, it's just the type of verbiage you use. The company gives us 60 days to activate. You have 60 days to try it. If it doesn't work out, you're going to keep the product kit for yourself anyway. There's no repo coming to get all their products, nothing like that. So it's just verbiage using it as a 60-day trial. It makes it not sound like such a big commitment. Your sign-on bonuses could be anything. So it could be business supplies, it could be a new product, it could be a lunch date with you, it could be their first set of business cards, anything you wanted to use. And then people would just pick a number and comment below, and then I would reach out to them and be able to offer that as soon as they bought their starter kit. Sometimes I just post motivational quotes, so you'll just see there's a motivational quote there. Sometimes for a Sunday Funday post or a social Sunday, I post different fun things. This was a retreat we had where we were singing karaoke, dressed in onesies, and you'll just see that I just made something warm, mushy gushy, just to get those people who might not be interested to do parties right now. They just need to get out of the house. They need to find a social network. They just want to have fun again. This is the perfect way to reel them in with this opportunity, showing them that we're all friends in the business. So the one thing I loved about my business is the love and friendships we have on our team. At one time, we were all strangers, and now we're friends for life. There are women who join just to be a part of a group, and we welcome them with open arms. Just another little fun fact that I had here. It's crazy that some people feel that 2 to 5 years in business is a long time to get rich, but don't feel that 40 years at a job is a long time to stay broke. So it just is reiterating that you can make a lot of money just putting 2 to 5 years of effort and time into your business. I would find other people's success stories. So here's an example of someone, Jen Kelly, and what she wrote on her Facebook page when she was having her anniversary in the business. So I put all of her achievements and a picture of her so other people see it's possible. Now, our team hit $1 million. So what I did here was just showing them like, wow, look at Go Team Go. So this was really nice to be able to see that they are all making money and it's a team effort. There we go. Okay. So it's just saying our team hit them $1 million. I'm so proud of them. When we work hard, but we play harder, and letting them know that we're in this together. It's a sisterhood. It's not a one-stop shop. We're a tribe of women who have each other's backs, and seeing that achievement. This was taking screenshots. In our team page, we post party updates and party diaries. So as women have parties, they'll post on our team page a party update. Drove this far. This is how many ladies attended. Here's my retail sales. Here's how much money I made. Here's how many bookings I got. So a lot of times I'll go back in after the weekend and I'll screenshot those and I'll post them in my money train, because it's really nice for other people on the outside to see, wow, she just made $300, $400, $500, $600 in 3 hours. That's pretty awesome money. And so I'll just make a post about that. A lot of times I will utilize the videos that corporate already has out through Chris Cicconelli's page or the Rockstar Report, or the wide range of resources that are already available, I'll post in there. When there is a kit sale, I will make a kit flyer that shows the prices. I will put some live videos in there. I will welcome them when somebody has joined the team and tag them. I will put another, freebie motivational quotes in here. I'll invite them to places. We had a team bonding trip and I was inviting them to come hang out with us for the weekend. So I'll put that there. Sometimes I'll just kind of tease them. When I know there's a kit sale coming, I will tease them. Great way to do if you know there's a kit sale coming, if there's a Founders Day kit sale coming, just to tease them that you have a really big secret, and message you if they're interested in knowing the secret. Sometimes I just give a little mushy gushy, give yourself a compliment, and it lets people see that we really care about each other as humans, and it's not just always about business in the team. Then I wrote, this is not a typo. I found somebody who did great things, $131,000 in 1 month, so I talked about them. Sometimes you just have to do free giveaways. You'll post there when there's an opportunity call. I'll do a free giveaway if they hop on the call and they message me with 3 things they learned. So your freebies could be anything. It could be a sample pack. It could be a percentage off their next order. It could be free shipping. It could be a ticket to win XYZ at the end of the month, whatever you wanted to do. But giveaways sometimes get them interacting and ready to go. Another shout out, somebody in the business was able to pay off student loans. I know there's a lot of women in my leads group that still have student loans. So it's nice for them to see that it's possible through other people's achievements. Then I did our team meeting, inviting them to the team meeting, offering them a free bottle of shaving cream or body dew if they came, and gave them the location. Sometimes I just put things about myself. So getting to roll out a bed and see my son in the morning and not have to worry about going to a job. And I literally just say, shout out to all the moms in this group. And if you would love to stay home, let me know. I would love to show you how to make money just working a few hours a week. When there is different opportunity calls, I'll invite them on there. Sometimes I will give them the breakdown of the kits, another motivational quote sometimes. So anything that's going to be engaging and exciting, this is what you want to post in your group. Now sometimes I'll invite somebody, as you see here, to pop in my group and go live. To basically, if you know someone in the business who's achieved great things or could offer advice to women thinking about joining, invite them into your group. Invite them to come in and share live about why they think the business is amazing, what it's done for them, and a piece of advice they would have for anybody thinking about joining. And then you can always take them back out of your group after they've gone live. So I do that sometimes and have guest speakers. I shout out when women have great parties on my team. I often do these on kit sales, pick a number and pick a bonus. They seem to like that a lot. And just a wide range of achievements from consultants all across the globe in our company. And then the other thing I'll utilize with this tour of the money train, as you see, different things. When there is a kit sale, I can simply go to my members up here and I can private message them. On a weekly basis though, you want to go through your members and you want to flirt with them. You want to spend time getting to know them and building that relationship. You want to scroll through their Facebook page and be a fun stalker. You want to like their statuses. You want to comment on things. You want to really get to know them and build that relationship, because women want to join your team if they find that they like you, they have that relationship with you, and they trust you. So it doesn't seem so awkward when you're reaching out to them when there's a kit sale. So a few times then, when I send messages to all the members in my money train, they've already had contact with me over monthly, weekly basis, so they don't feel as if I'm just cold messaging them. So that's a tour of my money train. I hope it helps seeing the different avenues you can use with your money train, different ideas you can post. You can also use this awesome feature up here to schedule your post. So if you find yourself very busy, put yourself on a schedule and you can make a post, and you would type it out and Money Monday. Type whatever you want to type, put upload a photo, and at the bottom here you'll see schedule post. You would click schedule post. You click the date you want it to go. So you want it to go on the 12th at 6, or let's just make it 7 a.m. and click schedule. And when you schedule it, what happens now is it posts up right here, and you can see the post. You could edit it. I could click it, and I could even delete it or edit it right here. If you decide you want to post it now for some reason, you can post it now, all of those things. So super exciting way to be able to schedule your posts in advance. So there's no excuses why you can't keep up with your opportunity group.